Hey YouTube. So the bracket is off that the power steering pump mounts to, exposing the two bolts left on this side, right? And I took out that one, this one, that one. I don't think there's one in here. No. That one. These two are studs. That one's fighting me. It makes a weird creaking sound. It's spinning, but I don't see that it's making any difference. Maybe I'll demonstrate that, I don't know. And then there's one back in there that I haven't really worked hard on yet. But it only takes one that won't come out to mess you up. But I'm going to make sure I get at least to that point where I've got just one left. What a hateful job. Can't I just blow it up or something?